A very good morning to all my students. Today I am going to start with the next lesson. The same in sense. I am starting with the writing section. The first one was about descriptive paragraph. Now I am starting with diary entry. Okay, diary writing. What is a diary writing? A diary is a record with discrete entries reporting on what has happened over the course of a day or a period. So, what does it mean? It's a place where we keep record of what has happened on a day or a period of time. A diary may include a person's experience and or thoughts or feelings, including comments on current events outside the diary writer's direct experience. It is generally written not with the intention of being published as it stands, but for the diary writer's own use. So, we do write diary. Do we write diary for publishing it? No. We just write diary to keep our feelings, our thoughts on it. So, the intention of writing diary is not to publish it, but to keep our thoughts and feelings recorded in something. And it's a very great thing, and it's a very interesting piece of writing. Why it is interesting? Because here we are keeping all our secrets. It gives us a pleasure. What happens actually when we write diary? We just go with the flow. We do not think anything. We think about our emotion. We just that emotion comes and the thought comes and whatever comes in our mind, we without a second thought just write it down in our diary. And these records are kept for future, and when we keep on doing it, what happens? A pile of memories we store, and in future if we read it, we feel good, we feel happy, and we feel overjoyed. Eventually the records are being put in diary. So this composition is something different from the other compositions. And you can see how you make predictions about what will happen, and see if they come true. If you think about something, if they come true, and here you can also see how the things are changed day by day, right, over time. And you can read over memories, you can laugh, you can cry, you can relive your past. So everyone or anyone can write diary, but make sure that a writer should be a genuine writer. A genuine writer means you should not be just be a writer. I mean, your friends are writing, that's why I am writing. My friends are writing, that's why I am writing a diary. No, it should not be like that. If you genuinely feel of writing your emotions in your diary, then only you should start writing diary. And if you are a beginner, then you should start with a small piece of writing, or in a small piece of notebook. Then you can continue it, and by the time, as the time will be going on, you will be a good writer at the end. Okay, actually there is no end of diary writing, but just for saying, means you will be a great writer. You will find in future that I have become a very good writer. Okay, then I'll give you a verbal format of writing diary. You can find it out in any of your books, means in grammar writing book. It's very easy. Just yeah, you have to give the date and the day. Okay, just on the left hand side of yours or the right hand side of the paper, you have to give date, day, and time. Then you can give the salutation as we give in letter and all. Salutation means addressing. Address, if you can address your diary with a name, or you can simply write dear diary, and then you should start writing it. and the tense we do generally use is past tense, because we write about something which had happened. So where something had happened, it comes in past. So in that case, you have to write in past tense. Or else, if you want to record anything, any of your feeling, that depends how you want to present it. The tense depends on your presentation. It can be in future, because if you are predicting something or you are thinking about something and you are writing about that, so that depends on your use of tense depends on your presentation or on the topic what you are presenting. But if you are writing about any past event, recent past, or any past event, then you should write it in past tense. You can give all the detail, and eventually a diary becomes a secret friend of yours. What you cannot share with anyone, you can share with your diary. So it's a good habit of writing diary, and I'd like to tell you, you should adapt it, not by force of others, but by knowing the intensity a person has. Actually, you will get to know the intensity once you start writing it, and it becomes your best friend, a confessor, where you confess about your feeling. Okay, and put the date, the day, the time, and everything, okay, on the top of the page, and then write about it. Start with a very simple tone. You can write, because it's, as I told, it's not about publishing, it's all about your own feeling sharing. So you can write, it's a very personal thing, you can write whatever you want, but make the presentation a very appealing one in whole, so that when in future you will read it, you will get pleasure. It may be a sad event, it may be a very happy event, it may be a very wonderful and wandering event. Whatever it is, you should write what is true. Don't exaggerate, and don't write anything which is not true in diary, because it's your own, it's your personal record, and there should be all whatever you're writing, there should be all the truth. Okay, so this is all about diary writing, and I am going to upload a format of diary entry as well as descriptive paragraph, so that you can understand it better, and just start from today onwards, start writing diary and let me know about it, how you are feeling. I am very much sure once you will start it, you will feel relief, you will feel relaxed, you will find someone at the end of the day where you can give your heart, to whom you can show your all true and genuine feelings. This is all about diary writing, and when we will be writing it in our school purpose or our education purpose, this is just to learn how to write it. Okay, this is all personal, and you can use very simple language on it, and but once again, what I want to emphasize on, that grammar should be correct. Okay, till then, learn it and do practice. Thank you.